Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on noise cancellation in your Nothing Ear 1. Okay, so we got two different methods how to make it. The first one, we can make it straight in this Nothing application. So when you are connected, you have to go for the here and then use this menu and pick transparency mode, noise cancellation. You can pick between the light and the maximum mode or just turn it off. Another option to turn it on, it's on this sensor on the earbuds. So we have to go for the application and the first, and just be sure how this feature is set up. In my case, it's linked to the left ear, and I have to tap and hold on the left, so in this place, to switch the noise cancellation mode. For sure, we have to put this earbud to the ear because there is the sensor. So let me just put it to the ear, go for the here and take a look. Right now I'm gonna click and hold the left earbud, and as you can see the mode has changed. I will try to cover the sensor right here and show you on the preview how it looks. Okay, it also changed. So as you can see, that's the two methods how we can switch the noise cancellation mode on the Nothing Ear 1. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.